Okay.
Ufuna umbriefa mama ngathi
ngizawucleana ubani?
Ithe vula ifone.
Prefer bani? Prefer kwakulanda ndithi hayi loo nto ithi. Ndizokubonisa conversation ezingezinto zokcleana le.
Andifuna conversation. Ndifuna le. Okay, vula phase profile picture, vula le. Yeah, profile picture. Andifuna conversation. So the baby, don't baby. Yeah, Paula conversation. Go to the profile picture. I didn't say properly. Yeah, profile picture. Yeah, we profile picture.
Girlfriend.
And I asked don't be a fool, right? Don't make me a fool. There's no way that he can put in your profile picture. It doesn't matter. Baby, show me the girl.
Baby, no WhatsApp.
Was for the now.
No WhatsApp.
Fool like fool.
Wow, since I didn't say
I say yes, bra.
Hi, baby, I'm saying that phone money let you say.
Fully phone.
No one is ukwazi, ne? No one is ukwazi, baby. This is not about him, Nane. And this ukwazi, the conversation is not about me. It's a sensitive issue that I can't just
say. That's well, men. Quite a sensitive issue, but you just love for Indomazana, amen, done. Indomazana, le. Can you enjoy? James, I'm sure they are jolly. No. Did you have phone? Okay, let's see the conversation about high Mjitulo Bangulando. Vula pa iqaleni yena indawo sensitive. Yeah, phezulu siboma ngilwanda nyani. Yeah, phezulu. Yeah, uzohamba uhamba. Yeah, pha phezulu.
Ngiyakucela baby, need ukuhamba. Bye baby.
Kanti umuntu onjani? Ah, ubuncamisa bra.
Shamba.
Kanti umuntu onjani?
Ngihamba nami kanje ngihamba nalo chap. Ufuna uhamba baby, ufuna ukuhlamba kanti kube fresh didiniwe.
Lakulahla idlozi lakho lomfebe. Ha. Ndithe vula ifone. Ayivule ifone apha ne? Ne? So this is how we are living from now on.
Can we talk about Lena into his phone kasubuka ubuya?
I can't say into his phone. No, I don't want clarity ngoku ne. Must be clarity ngokuba this is the life that you and I are going to live.
Let's talk about it. You've never sent me to the phone yakho ngithintile.
Wena nguwe mina ndim. Question stands.
Let's talk about it.
Kaloku my man, ndifuna sivumelana apha. Now this is in a relationship. This is the life that you and I now.
No, I'm saying let's talk about this on your return, not ngoku. Let's talk about lento kobuyile.
Sithi ngayo?
Not ngoku.
Yeah, that is.
Sawuthetha ngayo kaloku ngohlobo uthetha ngayo. Sawuthetha ngayo.
Hayi lixhego lidala lempandla mntaka baba. Ebithobe yabuphela lo. Hayi. Yeah. Hey, body about faithful doesn't help. Ngicamba nomuntu kule midla. Hayi, uyazinyisa cha. Camba le kaos namzi.
Ngizofuna ukubuzona ikaos ke u.
But uyathanda amantombazane xa wenza msula wena. Uyathanda amantombazane. Suphike. Yazi endiyifunayo kuwe, masenze into kanje. Say Z umuntu wami bra. And ndinawo abantu bami.
You know where you stand. You know where you stand.
Where do I stand? I'm seated now. I'm not standing. Where do I stand? Tips. Ditani?
Tips no.
Ditani?
Tips.
Tips in the own bank. Tivulela phone ngafuna uvule.
Awendo.
Okay, clearly it's game on. Sorry. By the look of things, I tell why it's game on. I call it Delani, I Tabani, I Shoutani. Senza le pace yakho.
Okay.
Man wouldn't shout out, I wouldn't call it, I wouldn't boost down, I was right. I'm going to boost down. Now, put in a man, Domazan, come on, bonus.